Hi, Astroferret with the Astroweather for Thursday, the 27th of August. The Sun makes a quincunx aspect to Neptune today. The Sun illuminates and it shines a spotlight, and Neptune is the dream, the vision, sometimes also the fog or the illusion. And a quincunx is that aspect that says to us, something doesn't feel right. The sun burns off the fog today, and then we can look at our dream or vision and realize that something needs to be adjusted. Was it something we missed before? More likely, we have changed, and the vision needs to evolve too. The long-standing Neptune and Pluto sextile is part of our outer planet bisextile, the defining aspect of these times. The Neptune-Pluto sextile says our intuition is focused and intensified. Of course, we need to trust and honor this intuition, especially today, because Mercury, which is also in high functioning mode, is making two quincunx aspects, one to each of these planets. We already saw how the vision needs to change. Now we need to acknowledge that we have changed. In fact, we are still changing profoundly. This constellation of Mercury, Neptune, and Pluto is called a yod, a finger of God. We don't just feel something is happening, we begin to understand and we begin to be able to articulate what's going on. In fact, we feel impelled to communicate about it, to speak or write our inspiration. Mercury's strong in the sign of Virgo. Thinking and speaking are precise, detailed, analytical. Today, Mercury is exactly conjunct the Sun. This is called cazimi. Mercury is in the heart of the Sun, and we have a moment of crystalline clarity. Trust what you see today. The mind is razor sharp. Pay attention to the insights that cascade in through the day, and take this understanding with you into tomorrow's eclipse experience. If there was ever a time we needed mental clarity, it's now. Moon moves into Pisces this evening and then connects to Chiron. Make a conscious decision to use the Piscean moon days as a time dedicated to healing, compassion, and kindness for yourself and for others. Choose to use the creative inspirations of Pisces and resist the temptation to tune out, use substances, or binge watch movies or any other unhealthy escapism. If stressed, take yourself to the water. Rivers and seas, if you're fortunate, but a fountain in a park or even a bath will work. A sextile to Chiron says, take the opportunity to heal. And when the moon is in Pisces, water healing is powerful. Swimming, being by the ocean, in person or in your mind, is very apt. This is an indulgence. This is a necessity. So hold your vision, center yourself in calm and peace. I hope this is a wonderful day. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.